machining's a great career field due to there's always need for it. There's tons and tons of jobs out there. It's also a job that our society can't function without. If every machinist in the nation disappeared, our economy would come to a halt. Our program is designed for students to come in at all levels. We have some students that come in knowing how to run machines and knowing what hand tools are, and then we have students that come in fresh. They don't know anything about any of the equipment. The fit is just someone that enjoys seeing something made. First year, they go through basic operations of mills and lathes, and then second semester, we build on that. We start getting into some of the more CNC stuff, and then in their last year, they get into more of modeling and programming on the computers. The misconception that I hear the most is it's dirty, dingy, nasty. Another misconception is that it's low-paying jobs. It's not a special thing when our students come out here making $20 to $25 an hour. So every manufacturer's custom and specialized to whatever parts they make. You know, if they're making aircraft parts or naval parts or whatever it might be, that's a big difference in what they do and how they do it. We try to get our students the basic knowledge, the basic understanding. They won't run into the field and be an expert, but when they go get a job, the basic language and techniques of how stuff is done will be there, and it should be a real seamless training process for our employers and for our students.
So whenever I started here, I knew nothing. And after my first year, I went to a place and started working, and I kind of already knew the basics of what they wanted done and how I needed to do it. Trained me for about a week or so, and then I was pretty much good to go. You're not paying a lot of money for school. As long as you want to work, you can come here and go anywhere in the country and get a job.
The demand's much greater right now than what students were putting into the workforce, unfortunately, but it's great for our students. Almost every employer I've talked to in the last year has called me asking for students. I think the best thing to do is come look at the shop, see the equipment, see what you'll have access to, see if it's something you think you might be interested in.